This is a marinade that I have grown to love. It's my favorite marinade out of all my marinades. This is number one. Garlic, cilantro, lime zest, and olive oil. And something happens when you grill all those flavors. Grill a ribeye and you get this combination of fire and fat. For the grilling process, I use really high heat. I want instant sear. I want beautiful grill marks, and I want some char on the marinade. Couple of minutes tops on each side. All in all, the marinade serves to add a ton of flavor, and if you cook it properly, it's going to be the juiciest steak you ever ate. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. We love making these videos for you, but we need your help to make them even better. If you want to help out, fill out the survey below and tell us what you thought. I'm Yankel. I'll see you in the next one.